Tour. It's time to meet the stars of the show. Your first competitor in a 1977 Chevrolet, powered by a 575 cubic inch motor, making 1,600 horsepower. Out of Magnolia, Texas, give it up for Eric Basil and Nitro Hornet. Your next competitor in a 2001 Chevy Silverado, powered by a 575 cubic inch motor, making 1,600 horsepower. Out of Houston, Texas, make some noise for David Smith in King Crunch. Next up in the lineup, in a 1987 Chevy Silverado, powered by a 572 cubic inch motor, making 1,600 horsepower. Out of Paxton, Illinois, it's Tim Jones and Basher. Next up in the lineup, the current championship points leader in a 2017 Ford Off-Road Snake, powered by a 565 cubic inch Ford motor, making 1,800 horsepower. Out of Viper Valley, Vermont, fans, show them those fangs. It's Vinny, Venom, and Snakebite.
Woo! Yeah. Snakebite.
Next up, the number 2 driver in championship points in a custom ATV body monster truck, powered by a 565 cubic inch Chevy motor, making 1,500 horsepower. Out of West Lafayette, Indiana, give it up for Eric Kane in Quad Chaos. Tonight's next competitor in a 2014 Dodge Ram dump truck, powered by a 540 cubic inch motor, making 1,500 horsepower. Out of Lafayette, Indiana, it's the Fly dump truck, Jerry Beckett Dump Crew. Tonight's next competitor, a former professional boxer turned monster truck driver in a 2014 Chevy Silverado, powered by a 500 cubic inch B&R racing engine, making 1,400 horsepower. Out of Louisville, Kentucky, fans, give it up for Derek Hansen in the Heavy Hitter. Do you want to be one more monster truck?
Woo! Yeah! Whoa, it's completely dark. Bigfoot coming out. Bigfoot.
the team that started it all over 40 years ago in a 2014 Ford Raptor Off-Road, powered by a 565 Cubic Ford motor.